Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a voice chat in Smite 2. To do this, first we'll need to click on our options, navigate to the settings. Inside you'll be able to find the audio, and right here you will need to adjust the settings for your microphone. So first of all is a voice chat. It needs to be activated if you want to use it. Then we can adjust our voice audio volume. Then pick your specific microphone device, microphone volume that you can adjust. And this will change on how loud people will be able to hear you. And you can also activate or deactivate push to talk. And if you want to find the button for push to talk, we'll need to navigate to controls and then just scroll down looking for it. And here it is. By default it's on shift. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.